In this video, we're going to look over the different search methods available on the Rhinox Group website to make sure you can find exactly what you're looking for. So the first method is just the standard search tool, which you would find on most websites. So for example, if I have a JCB 801.4, if I type that machine maker model into that top search bar, it will then bring up each individual product available from Rhinox. The second tool is probably a more accurate tool, and it removes that slight human error which can come across when typing into the keyboard, and that is our search by excavator model tool. So when you click the button, it will bring up this window with the two different selections. So you've got the machine make. So for example, we can select a Takuchi on this example. Then you get a list of all models that we have available for your Takuchi machines. So we have one last tool available for you to use to help you find the right product on our website. Now here we've got the Takuchi TB016 6-inch bucket. As you can see down here, we have the pin dimensions of this bucket available for you to see, and we do recommend that you actually compare these pin dimensions to one of your existing buckets just to make sure this bucket is definitely going to fit before you buy. Now if these dimensions do not match, then we have this handy tool down here where you can search by the pin dimensions of your existing buckets. So I'll click this link, which then brings up 3 drop downs for you to search. We have the pin diameter, so for example we may have a 25mm pin diameter, the dipper gap where we have 101mm, and then the pin centers, which leaves us with 85mm pin centers available. Now this brings up the 1F collection page. Now don't be alarmed that this doesn't have a machine maker model advertised against it. The 1F is just our internal stock keeping unit code, but because you've searched by the pin dimensions, we know that these buckets and attachments will fit your excavator. Now, if you're unsure on how to measure your pin dimensions, thankfully, on our product page, next to the pin dimensions box, we have this handy tool here, which is just a video that goes over how to actually measure your pin dimensions, so you can compare your measurements against our pin dimension table. Now, just like most websites, we still also have the standard navigation across the top. So we have the machine selection. On the left-hand side, you've got a list of all the different makes of machine, and then on the right hand side we've broken it down into different columns to help you find the right model that you have. We also have different buckets and attachments, so you can see our full range of what we offer, including digging buckets, tilt ditching buckets, and even pallet forks for the larger machines. We also have quick hitches and accessories, pins, bushes and other wear parts available across the top. And then if you go to About Us, blogs, guides and news, there is more information and more handy tools for you to have in there. So hopefully that gives you a better understanding on how to use the handy tools which we've developed here at Rhinox to help you find the right products for your machines. If you need any more information, feel free to drop us a comment below or get in touch with us on our contact details that you can find at the top right hand side of our website.